Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate you are getting this error J downloader blocked by cloudflare site protection. If you're getting this error, I have a best to prevent solution. That solution you will try to in this problem easily fix it. So I will I will giving steps one by one follow to this problem easily fix it. Okay, don't waste our time. Let's get started. First step. First of all, you can go to download free downloader. So how to download I will expose. First of all, you can go to open the web browser, then go to type free downloader manager. You visit this website. Just you click on the download for Windows. Just click to download and install that software. I already had installed it, so I will show you. If you have done, then you can go to download one more file for fistgale.fta file. That file I go to how to download. I go to expose. Just you will see here again one more tab. Open it. Then you type visit visit Fitgale FTM link extractor, search and click on this first website. Then you visit to click on this link. After that, you one more tab you get it. Then you scroll down. Here download available that FTA file. Just you click on the download to download that FTA file. Once you have downloaded, then you can go to open the file manager. Here you can click on these three dots. Then click on select the add-ons. Again click on the install add-on from files. Just select that navigate your file location and select and hit the install to add it here. Wait until 30 seconds. After that, it is after installed, then you can go to do it the next step. Okay, it is done. Then come to back, click on this arrow here. All process done. Finally, you can go to open the your FitGale. Then you can go to open the your FitGale web page. Then you will select your that link. Just example I show you. Just here you can go to this is that link. Just right click to you copy it. Then come to open the free downloader manager. Then click on this add download. Here paste to click the OK. After that, it automatically will here added. Then you automatically download that game. So after that, you install your game, enjoy it. And if you have any doubt, let me know. I will help you. And don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching.